So let's say you just got into the mechanical keyboard hobby, or you just bought yourself a new mechanical keyboard to use to game and daily use, but you feel like you want to customize it more. Well, today's video I'll be taking a look at COZY.CAPS. They are a keycap seller on Instagram which sell keycaps and deathmatch, and today they've sent over a few of the keycaps to check out. It's mainly Valorant team, and they're currently having a Valorant team also on their Instagram, so you can check out. They have the Reyna set, Killjoy set, and Sage set. Today I went for more of a chamber team because I'm currently maining chamber in Valorant. So today we're just going to check out the keycaps they sent over and what we can do with them. Hope you guys like it. So this is the box right here. You can see COZY.CAPS. This is their name, and then you can check them out on Instagram. They sell all sorts of keycaps. They're really nice. Let's open it up. So we have two packets right here. It's mainly purple, blue, and gray because it's the color of chamber in the game. Let's just take it out and see what we get. So the first one, of course, purple and gray. Second one is blue. Let me just take it out. So this is their card, COZY.CAPS. Really nice design, honestly. On the back, snap and share. You can check out their TikTok and Instagram. This is one of the keycap right here. I believe it's double shot PBT with shine through. So this is the purple, and then this is the back for the RGB to shine through. This is what the gray one looks like. And this is the blue one. So this is quite a lot of keycaps, so I'm just going to put them on my RK61 and see if we can make it look like chamber. But first, we have to remove the stock keycaps. So with all of the keycaps removed, now I can just use the colors to match it to look like chamber. It's gonna be quite challenging, but I hope you guys like this. So like Valorant has kind of like a purple for his weapon when pulling out and his tie, and then his shirt is blue and his pants is kind of gray. So I guess I'm gonna match this aesthetic with all of the keycaps here. Wish me luck. So I decided to go and start with grey as the base first because it's one of the more neutral colors. So this is what the grey keycaps look like on the RK61. Looks pretty awesome in my opinion. The shine through is pretty nice, and the keycaps feel pretty rough and kind of textured. I kind of like that. Now we can kind of build the base up and add in the accent colors on the side. I guess this is the color. I'm not so sure yet. Just going to put it in now. So after some time tinkering with the keycaps, this is kind of like the color scheme I went with to match with Chamber's look. So it kind of is chamber theme. So the yellow, of course, is his weapon and his teleporter. It looks pretty nice. And then of course his clothings with the gray and blue, and then the purple where his actions where he actually like teleports or when he takes his weapons out is actually purple. So overall I think it looks pretty nice. Maybe some gold accents will look much better and look more like chamber, but overall after using these PBT keycaps, they are quite nice, they're quite thick, and the shine through are very clear, and the legends on them are pretty nice as well. So if you're interested in Valorant style keycaps or Valorant team keycaps or any other budget keycaps, in my opinion, you can check out COZY.CAPS. They have a lot on their store. If I'm not wrong, now they have a Reyna set, a Raze and Killjoy, and even a Sage keycap set. Check them out in the links in the description below. I think for this kind of price, it's a really nice budget keyboard keycap, and if you're looking for budget keycaps, do check them out. So now I'm just gonna clear everything up, and that is probably it. So that is it for this video, guys. Leave a like if you like this video, dislike this video if you didn't like it. Subscribe right here to watch more of my content. I have more of this kind of tech stuff and keyboard stuff coming very soon. I hope you guys like it. Subscribe for more of that stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, guys.